Hi there, this is Irene from Adroit Architecture, welcoming you back to our channel. If you're holding on to a piece of land and you're thinking of putting up an apartment block, we've got you. Today we have a very exciting video for you. We bring to you an apartment block design. This apartment block features 2-bedroom apartments with an ensuite master bedroom. Because of limited space, this apartment has been raised off the ground to allow you to have enough parking spaces to serve each apartment. You have a basement parking and ground level parking to ensure that there's enough parking to provide for all the apartments and for all your visitors. Each apartment has an open plan floor plan, featuring a modest living room with a balcony, a small dining area, a kitchen with a balcony yard, a master ensuite bedroom with a balcony, and one additional bedroom that can fit 2 single beds with a shared bathroom. The apartment block has an elevator. This is usually a requirement in most counties for buildings that have more than 6 floors. You have a large underground water reservoir and additional water tanks at the rooftop, serving each apartment. Each apartment has a total of 86 square meters with 9 square meters of balcony spaces. You have a total of 8 floors for this apartment block. On each floor, you have 4 units for a total of 32 units. The plinth dimension of this apartment block is 18 meters by 25.5 meters. There are some key important things that you need to keep in mind when you're thinking of building an apartment block. Make sure that you familiarize yourself with the legal requirements in your county. Each county has rules and regulations that govern constructions. You need to be aware of them so that you can ensure compliance. Some of these rules include: how many numbers of floors are you allowed to build in that particular locality? Will you need to put a lift? What are the provisions that you should make for parking? It is also important for you to do a feasibility study. Take time to understand the neighborhood and figure out what size of apartments are most in demand. Get to know the kind of rentals that you can expect in that particular neighborhood. This will help you calculate the payback period for your investment. Remember to work with the right consultants to help you answer all these questions. So if you're sitting there and you have some piece of land and you're thinking of putting up apartments, get in touch with us. We are here to help you realize your dream. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in our next video.